Hey brats, sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. I didn't have a laptop and an editing program, but now I have both, so I should be relatively predictable in my uploads now. This is a look that I filmed a while back. It was like 3 in the morning, and I just felt really inspired to do a bunch of latex cuts. So as you can see, I'm taking liquid latex. This is a little bit dried out, so it's more of like a putty texture. You could probably do this with scar wax or something of that nature as well, but I'm just laying it down with a paintbrush that I don't really care about, that wasn't gonna matter if I got it messed up, because latex will ruin good brushes, but this was a bad one, so I just laid it down, and then I used a pair of tweezers to kind of push the edges into place and kind of get the shape how I wanted. Next, I went in with a red lip liner, and I just filled in the center of the cut. Then I'm going in with a very thin angled brush, and I'm kind of spreading and blending the color. Next, I'm going in with NYX's Liquid Black Suede in that same brush, and I'm filling a very thin line in the middle to create the illusion of depth. It's important to get the tops and the bottoms of the cuts as well, with shading, as well as this red cream paint that I'm going to fill the cut in with. After you filled the cut in and made sure there's no more white, I'm going in with that same brush, the same paintbrush, and some red food coloring, and I'm filling in directly the center of the cut. This is going to help to blend together both of the colors that we've laid down and also make a little bit of a wet texture and kind of a shine when you turn your head. Next, I'm going in with the same paintbrush, and I'm just doing some quick strokes to lay down some lighter scratches, and then I'm going back in with that other angled brush, and I'm dragging the color down to make the cuts look a little bit less fresh and more like they've been kind of dripping down in the rain or something like that. I'm going in with this NYX white liner, and all these products will be in the description below. But I'm going in with a liner on the highest points of the wound to kind of highlight the wound, and then I'm tapping it out so that it's less cartoonish. So if you want to be really extra, you can go in with any old regular red lip gloss, or even a clear lip gloss will work, and I'm just laying this on the highest points once again to give maximum shininess. Then I'm going in with a sponge, and I'm dragging the color around to make the wounds look a little bit more worn in. And then I'm taking my trusty water spray bottle. I feel like everyone should have this on their counter if they do SFX or painting or really anything. But anyway, I'm spraying down everything with some water to help blend the color and also give the dripping and also just make the colors easier to work with. Then I'm going with that same paintbrush, and I felt like my lips needed some detail, so I'm following the natural creases in my lips with some red food dye, and then kind of blotting my lips together to spread out the color. For these next two small cuts that I'm going to do, or smaller wounds I should say, it's really the same steps, so I'm going to stop the voiceover and let you enjoy. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how I do my wounds or gashes. Make sure to let me know if you have any looks you would like me to do for Halloween. Very excited, and I have much more in the works, so subscribe if you enjoyed, and I will see you next time.